Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first animal is The first animal is a deer. This is a deer. A deer is a farm animal. A deer. The next animal is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. A hippo. This is a hippopotamus. A hippo. The next animal is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. The next animal is a panda. This is a panda. A panda. The next animal is a cow. This is a cow. A cow. The next animal is a camel. This is a camel. A camel. The next animal is a donkey. This is a donkey. The next animal is a horse. This is a horse. A horse. The next one is a zebra. This is a zebra.